Hello and welcome to Make It a Minute's Monday. My name is Nancy and I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. Today, Kayla and I are going to be making this adorable, cute card using the Melon Mambo and Daffodil Delight. We're going to be using the cute fruit. It's in our little mini, teeny tiny beginner's brochure. We're going to be using the stamp that says I couldn't ask for a sweeter friend, and then we're also going to be playing with the triangles. Now we're not going to be using a specific stamp set today, but we're going to be using the die cuts. Yay! So what I did is I cut 5 of the Melon Mambo and 5 of the Daffodil Delight out. We got our standard card base right here. We're going to set that off to the side. We're going to set this off to the side as well. This is going to be a mat. Now we're going to have all the measurements and everything posted over on our blog, so make sure you look below in the description of this video and we'll have a link posted there for you. Now to get started, we are going to start layering the triangles on here. It's going to be a very simple card, but it's going to be really super duper cute. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just lining up my paper on the grid here. So the fun thing that we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using lots of dimensionals. We are going to just start layering these straight across the paper. And what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and line it up so that I get it straight across. Now I'm going to line my paper up with the grid paper, the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to pick one of the lines on here and hopefully get it on here and keep it straight going across. All right, so there's one, and we're just going to alternate colors. Now we're going to flip our card over, take our paper, scissors, and cut this straight off. All right, now we're ready to adhere this on. One thing that I like about this new adhesive is that you don't need much. We are ready to do our stamping. Today I'm going to just use regular Memento Black. All right, and we're just going to add a couple little gems on here. These are the Artisan in Bloom self-adhesive sequins, and I just love them. All right, and there we have it. I hope you enjoy this card. Again, make sure you check out our other videos on YouTube, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you are getting notifications when we are live, and also make sure to check for the measurements over on our blog, which will be attached below for this video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Monday.